This book follows the behaviorally minded practitioner who says to parents, to any parent, grandparents, step-parents, foster parents, adopted parents, etc., what is your child really doing, and why is it a problem? When the problem identified appears a disruption for both child and parent, decisions are made to counsel the parents on the best, safest, and most expeditious methods of tantrum control. Control is not a power term. Control means the tantrum decreases while another, more appropriate behavior replaces it. The replacement behavior fosters a better rapport between parent and child and allows the child normal interaction with his or her challenging world. This book describes the most updated, evidence-based approaches to tantrum control used by today's behavioral experts. It covers chapters aimed for lightweight tantrum problems and chapters on heavyweight or severely self-injurious or self-stimulatory types of tantrums. The guidelines in each chapter flow in a step-by-step sequence for easy reading and application. Readers of all adult ages and backgrounds are encouraged to follow the logical steps of application as alternatives to more liberal or conservative approaches to tantrum control. But more importantly, users of this book are urged to be practical, realistic, and view the tantruming child as one who passes through a normal phase of learning. In that phase, when a child knows very few skills and depends so heavily on adults to navigate daily decisions, tantrums arise for innocent reasons. Tantrums arise due to lack of attention or direction, exhaustion, hunger, and simply for fun. Tantrums, no matter the severity, are not sinful or deliberate forces of evil. The child, after all, is just a flexible being eagerly picking up its cues from the guardians who raise him or her. Use this book as the first aid kit to teach children the right cues for behavioral decisions. Show yourself and the children how they can become happier, more productive, and feel unlimited love from unlimited resources.